Hello guys, this is Sanjay and I am an English language trainer. Welcome to my YouTube channel Weekly Lesson. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna introduce you with an amazing app which will help you to improve your English. I must say this app will take your English to the next level. And guys, during the lockdown you can use this app to practice your English at home very easily. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. And guys, you just need to go first in Google Play Store and just type here in search bar English listening and speaking as I have searched here. And then you need to install this app, and here I have installed already, so I'll just open it and you will get this interface of this app. And as if I go here in home page, you can see lots of the things are here as stories, easy stories and stories intermediate level, that will be little hard. You can go through these stories to improve your vocab and your sentences and pronunciation too. And conversations are also here. You can go through conversations to improve your conversation. And then common sentences are here. You can learn daily use common sentences and most frequent vocabularies. That vocabularies is used mostly while we have words with someone. And another options, phrasal verbs are here. Phrasal verbs are too essential to learn nowadays, guys, if you want to speak effective and impressive English. So lots of phrasal verbs are here with the pronunciation. If you tap this button, you can listen to the pronunciation of that word, and the meaning is also mentioned here, and with an example is also here. So other things are here. Irregular verbs are given here. So many irregular verbs are here. You can read from here, you can learn from here. And daily expressions. And before that there is English names. Sometimes it's really hard to pronounce the English name for us. What is that exact pronunciation of that word? So you can hear from this section. And the surnames are here, lots of surnames are here, and the first names are also mentioned here. You can just listen their pronunciation by tapping on that word. So if we see the next, so the next is daily expressions, and this is too important, guys. As you can see that here, be filled with, this is the daily expression. If you go through next, so lots of daily expressions are here. You can go through previous also. Yes, you can check it out. On foot, call up. So the meaning is also mentioned here, to call someone on the telephone. Examples are also here. Two easy examples are here to understand. I'll call you up tomorrow. Ma called me up from London. And you can check out the list also from here. So lots of daily expressions are here mentioned here, and quiz is also there. You can go through quiz to check out your knowledge, what daily expressions you learned from here. And the pronunciation, it is also very important. You can listen and improve your vowels and consonant pronunciation by just tapping simple on that word. It will tell you how to pronounce that words, and the words are also given here and examples are also here. So by going through this section you can improve your pronunciation. And tasks and games are also here. By lots of games are here. By playing these games you can improve your English. If I take you through any section, so daily sentences, just lots of topics are here. Just tap on the any topic and you will get those sentences, and daily use sentences and conversation sentences. By just tapping you can hear out those pronunciation, and you can record your voice too, that you can record yourself that you are pronouncing correct or not. You can, and it will tell you that how much you match and how correctly you are speaking, you are pronouncing the words. If I go through vocabulary, so you can see here effective learning, the fourth lesson is there. And if I go through learn, so it will just show you randomly few words are given here. You need to just learn these words, then you go through continue, and the word will ask you the meaning, so you need to give the meaning. If you click on a correct one, so it will be green, and if you give the wrong meaning like counter, I need to press here on counter, but I'm going to click here and add, as it is telling that this is wrong answer and the correct answer is counter, so you can check out the correct answer too. And if I go through continue, so it will ask to you all the words meaning, and after that it will ask you in English meaning, so you need to give the answer. And after that, if you answer all the words, then you can play a kind of a game, like it will, if you press here, so it will pronounce a word and you need to write that word, so it will be too helpful for you to memorize those words later, so easily you can learn the letters here. And if you want to continue it, it will be continue for you. And let's go back. So quick test is also here, you can go through. There will be a timing and you need to answer before that time is over. Got it? So that's an amazing app, guys. Word list is also here, you can read from here, and lots of things are here, as you can see. So go through all these options, guys. Just download this app and start practicing. And IELTS, for the IELTS students, it is too amazing, guys. So this is a complete app to practice your English. It is full of knowledge, and guys, I think you all must download this app. And I'm not promoting any app, guys, I'm just trying to help you out, so this is why I made this video. And if you want more apps like this which can help you to improve, so please mention it in comment box. I'll tell you about these kind of apps. And these apps are completely free, guys. You do not need to go through Cambly and all. These are the amazing app for learning English at home. So this is all about for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and it will be useful also for you all. So thank you so much, guys. It's enough for today's video. See you soon with a new lesson. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep getting motivation and dedication with weekly lesson.